Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, good afternoon. My name is Zeljko Cvjetinović, and I'm here on behalf of the MapSoft company. Before I go with my presentation, I would like to express my gratitude for the organizer of this event, SuperMap company. We are privileged to participate in this. We are a new partner of the MapSoft, of the SuperMap, and as you can see, our logos match quite nicely. And our logo, by the way, is from early 1990s, and we don't know who took the idea from whom. I'm also coming from the Faculty of Civil Engineering, and as a previous speaker, I'm also a surveyor. I'm teaching geoinformatics and photogrammetry at the Faculty of Civil Engineering in Belgrade. And the idea at my university is the opposite. We are trying to teach surveyors to geoinformatics and to enhance their capabilities. But we all agree that geodesy, surveying, cartography cannot live now without, let's say, having a tight connection with the computer science, and geointelligence is all about that. I'm not going to talk about research at my faculty. I will talk just about geospatial industry in Serbia, but especially from the perspective of the MapSoft company that I am talking on behalf here today. So a few words about the MapSoft company. We are truly pioneers of geospatial industry in Serbia. We started it in 1991 when we created the software MapSoft, and that's how the company get the name. This is software that was used in Serbia from early 90s up to now. It is still used to create, and all the cadastral maps are practically in digital form right now, thanks to the software that is used throughout the cadastral offices in Serbia. In 2002, 4 academics from the university established MapSoft company. Later on, we established 2 more companies that are active in Serbia and in regional countries. We are a small company or medium-sized company with 50 employees, 3 companies. We have a highly skilled team. More of this information can be found on our websites. And what we do is that we provide to our customers services regarding software development, spatial data acquisition, design and implementation of GIS solutions, location-based services and fleet management. That is the mobile solutions company, daughter company of MapSoft. And also we are finishing some projects in land consolidation. The idea from our company is to provide a complete service to the customer. We have a strong capabilities of capturing reality using all sorts of methods for data acquisition. Also, we are developing software for all sorts of application fields, and we are also offering some services regarding location-based services, and this is actually our entry point to a lot of clients that are not strictly dealing with the geospatial data. Of course, we are not able to do it on our own. We are cooperating with scientific institutions because we are coming from academy. Also, we are partnering with the regional and international companies such as SuperMap. Also, we have other collaborators, but the idea is that the end user will get the complete service from the acquiring data to the final solution. These are some of the companies that are our clients. Of course, you don't see here clients such as state agencies, ministries, local governments. These are mostly companies that are large companies from China, from France, Germany, and so on, that are engaging MapSoft to provide them data or some other services or GIS solutions. These are some of the companies for the mobile solution company. We have developed our own desktop solutions from early 90s. We are especially proud of the Photosoft desktop software for 3D digital stereo mapping that we use mostly in-house, but there are some other software solutions that are used throughout the Serbia and region. We are also providing services for aerial imaging on LiDAR scanning. We have our own planes. We have sensors for high-quality aerial imaging, including LiDAR, so we use planes, drones. Also, we have mobile laser scanning, handheld scanning. This is our mobile mapping system. We are especially proud because we are capable of putting together different components and getting high-quality surveys that can be used in construction industry, traffic infrastructure data collection, and so on. So the idea is that we use different methods, but we select them according to the customer needs. So this is a project-based approach. Of course, we are producing a lot of different products from 2D to 3D. And also we have a lot of customers from different industries and for different applications. Of course, we are also developing GIS solution, and we provide full cycle development services and also maintenance and support later on. So we usually start from the analysis of user business processes and requirements. We design the solution, select optimal components, and we implement final solutions. Last but not least, we are highly dedicated to user training and to support throughout the product life cycle. Of course, being able to collect spatial data and to develop geospatial software solutions, we think it's a proper basis for us to produce digital twin smart cities, city information management solutions. So that's what we are aiming for. Of course, we are developing GIS solutions. There are some portals that I will talk about later on, and GIS systems for our customers. We use different software platforms. We are quite open. We are not exclusive distributor of certain software vendor. So now we are going to be representative of SuperMap, but we are also using all sorts of open source products and some other companies. So it depends on the customer needs. Of course, we are drawn to the SuperMap technology because we see that they are strong in 3D, big data processing, and that nicely fits into what we are planning to offer to our customers right now. Of course, we have a location-based services and fleet management services offering to our customers, and as I said, it's a chance for us to enter into a market that is not closely related strictly for spatial services. And okay, these are some projects that I'm going to represent right now. This is a project of statewide mapping, producing orthophoto, classified and colorized point cloud, digital terrain model, 3D city model. This one is LOD2. And it is important that this one is for the whole country. All larger settlements are covered with this data. Of course, we are producing a lot of data for infrastructure projects. Companies from Germany, from France, from China expect us to deliver high quality maps, models, so that they can do their projects. Of course, we are always dedicated to the high quality of products, and sometimes it includes a lot of manual words. This is a web portal of Forest Information System of Serbia. It's a national geoportal. All the data regarding forests in Serbia are available on that portal. There are a lot of maps, dashboards available to the customers. For example, National Forest Inventory database is available there for the whole Serbia. Of course, there are a lot of data that they can query by attributes and other queries. Of course, they have certain dashboards. This project is implemented using spatial data infrastructure approach, so they can manage metadata. These are also, MapSoft developed a lot of city geoportals in Serbia for major cities in Serbia. Also, we published a lot of data owned by the local government, such as spatial urban planning documents, and most of these data are organized according to the EU legislation, for example, according to the Inspire directive. And of course, we are offering handling with 3D data, such as point clouds, documents within this. We have also developed projects for public companies, city public companies. For example, all three major cities in Serbia, Belgrade, Novi Sad, and Niš, have our solution for the efficient work planning for the development and maintenance of the public greenery. So companies of public greenery in Serbia are relying on our software. This is a software for, this is a project for traffic infrastructure cadastre done for the capital city of Montenegro, neighboring country in Serbia. We have done airborne LiDAR and photogrammetry, mobile laser scanning, and 3D sphere imaging. We have collected a lot of data, and we also developed appropriate data model in order to build traffic infrastructure cadastre that should be used for different purposes. We have developed software. It's a web-based application of accessing the data so that they can do, they can use the data for their daily job. This is a project that we have done for the capital city of Serbia, Belgrade. We have collected a lot of data, road and street network, demographic data, household furnaces, all those sources of pollution. We have developed a data model about air pollution, and therefore they are now capable of assessing what is the impact of building some building block or some new road, new streets in the city. What would be impact on the pollution in the Belgrade? Of course, using the model that we have developed. We have more and more requests for solar potential applications, so we can do mapping, we can do modeling the roofs and calculating solar potential for each and every building and providing some information. This is a large project that we have done for the National Electric Power Supply Company in Serbia. They have a very complex system distributed, and we managed to unify it and to enable them to manage their fleet of vehicles. We have developed software applications, and most importantly, we organize a lot of training so that they are able to use this system. And according to these projects, maybe you already see what's the status of geospatial industry in Serbia. So we have ministries and state agencies. They are spending a lot of time on harmonizing the data set and legislation with EU legislation. They are establishing national spatial data infrastructure. We have a national geoportal for that. Also, we have local government and public companies that are also harmonizing their data sets and also establishing local SDIs on a city level, company level, and so forth. We also have data providers in Serbia. Those are that are working on a local and regional level, such as MapSoft and similar companies, but also we have providers from big IT companies such as Microsoft, Foursquare, that are providing data on a global scale. A lot of them are opening their local companies in Serbia. We also have companies developing software. such as MapSoft, GDIs are working on a local and regional level, but also big players like Microsoft, Databricks, Foursquare. Also, we have, we can say that there are a lot of activities right now that are opportunities for MapSoft and SuperMap regarding smart agriculture. There are a lot of activities there using remote sensing, drones, AI, and machine learning algorithms to improve agriculture in Serbia. That's very important for us. But also there are a lot of initiatives for developing smart cities and city information management, but also digital footprints for traffic infrastructure, power distribution management. We have a lot of requests from our customers. So large volumes of geospatial data, vector, imagery, point cloud are available. But the problem is the GIS tools for handling large volumes of 3D data are often lacking. MapSoft does not have proper tools to offer this to its clients. And also we have a lot of requests from customers to integrate spatial information with their information systems, such as enterprise resource planning, warehouse management system, customer relationship management system, and so on. And a lot of projects are emerging, and our customers are expecting to create smart city and digital twins. So MapSoft is constantly delivering large volumes of high-quality geospatial data sets, and we do need in-house also, in-house tools for processing large amount of data, possibly by using artificial intelligence to make it more efficient. And also there are a lot of customers already having our solutions, but demanding for better solutions, probably involving these things that SuperMap can offer. It's handling large volumes of big data, AI functionalities for efficient processing of massive amounts of data, three-dimensional data processing, and also we need distributed data processing for implementing spatial data infrastructure and cross-platform development for heterogeneous users and systems. And I believe that will be everything that I have planned for you for today. These are some slides demonstrating some functionality of the SuperMap, such as measuring area using. These are actually data sets that MapSoft provided, and together with the SuperMap, we created some interesting demos just to show how quickly we can add value to our existing data sets and use it in SuperMap environment. Just a second, please. Yeah, these are some projects for fast building of 3D models, extracting building footprints for the larger area, using rapid modeling based on Universal Material Library. Also, there are projects of, let's say, using large amounts of LiDAR data that is MapSoft constantly acquiring, and we are offering our clients to, let's say, opportunity to use that data. This is unprocessed point cloud, and they can use it straight away for certain analysis without the need to create detailed vector data with a lot of attributes. They can do measurements, or they can do some analysis. They can use also 3D symbols for street lights, for trees, or they can do analysis such as dynamic viewshed analysis. And these are all interesting things that are not existing in our current application, but we are planning to integrate them with the new solutions. Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Helen. It's really impressive. With such a small team, 50 plus, you have done so many great